What's up, you guys? It's FX Gangster here, and today I'm back with another video. And today we are on USD card, guys. We're on USD card. We're actually in deep profits right now, and yeah, like we got that today. Open, I think I opened this trade last week. I was holding this trade since last week, guys. So yeah, and it's actually in deep profits. So yeah, let me show you guys on how made such kind of profits with just trading this simple strategy, like this simple one. It's a very simple strategy. This one, like it's a very simple strategy. You can even trade like this. No, I'm joking, but so let's just get into the settings first because I like studying the settings. So yeah, you go on to the F icon right here, and on your indicator window one, you have to have a stochastic oscillator. These are your settings. K period is 1, D period is 1, slowing is 1, price price field is close to close, method exponential, and the styles here, you just use 1 pixel and use the color of your background. If it's white, then you just pick white here. If it's black like mine, you just pick black. So yeah, on your levels, you go to you press levels and you have the 20 level, 80, 90 for a strong sell, and 50 for take profit, and 10 for strong buy. So yeah, if you want to add levels to your stochastic oscillator, you just press the bin first, and you just press it again, and then you just add these plus icons right now. Just add them as much as you want, but I recommend you having just what I showed you first. Let me just delete this real quick, and then we get back to business. So alright, so you press when you're done punching in your settings like this, you just press back, you press done, and you go to the next one. The next one we have envelopes and periodies, and you just take a screenshot of something and just punch in the same settings. Then period is 1, shift is 0, deviation is 0.008, method is exponential, apply to close, upper band is red, the lower band is red. I took 2 pixels because yeah, I wanted to see my lines very well, and yeah, with this one we don't have any levels, so you just press done, and you go to the F icon again, and now you go to the Ichimoku. You just take all these, just pause the video, and you just go to your Ichimoku and just press the same settings in. So yeah, you can get what I'm getting, the results. So after the punching in of your like settings like this, you just press done, and now you're like this is how your chat looks like, must look like. If it doesn't look like this, then I don't know, bro. You just made something. Maybe there's something wrong. I don't know. So, but it's supposed to look like this. It's supposed to look like this. So, this is why I took this trade. Let me explain on why I took this trade. I had a channel. There was a channel. Uh, there was a channel. I saw a channel starting from here, and it went up to there, and it broke the. I knew it was gonna head down because of two things actually. It was in a channel, and there was double top at the bill at the like there was a double top here. There was a double top. Let me just there was a double top. There was a double top, guys. I saw a double top. I saw a double top here, guys. That was my second confirmation onto buying. This was a strong one actually. Yeah, no, this was the second strong one. This was the first strong one because it broke the structure right here, came back to retest it and started heading downwards. You can use this indicator value like this. When price was on the 90 level right here, and you saw all of this happening, you saw your head and shoulders, you saw the price breaking structure now, like it broke structure and it started heading downwards. And here it was for the correction, the small correction that happened here. It came back, the price came back and we test this previous like it came in test here and started heading downwards. So yeah, that's why I took this trade. Actually, I took this trade because of that. So with this one, you can just see, I think it's an inverse heads and shoulders. This is an inverse head and shoulders, if I'm not mistaken, but I don't know. To me it looks like an inverse head and shoulders, but yeah, but it's not that picture perfect. But you could have still capitalized on this. You could have still capitalized on this one. So the the indicator showed us that it was on the strong buy position right here, like the red line crossed the red line touched the line of that's indicating a strong buy, and the red line crossed the green line. The red line crossed the green line, so it started heading upwards, guys. Like it started heading upwards. Sorry about this. And it started heading upwards. You could have taken the trade here, like, cause you just for me, I'm not a risk entry trader, so I usually just take my trades after. Sometimes, like, the it depends on the what's the market showing me right now. Like, so yeah, for me, I could have waited for this. Like the indicator showed me this, so I knew my the market like was the price was gonna go up eventually, because like it was on the strong buy area right here and it started going up. So when it started going up, I could have waited for this a flag or a correction, I don't know, but I usually just call it like a correction, impulse and correction. After this impulse right here, it corrected up to here, then it started going up again. Let's see. Let's just zoom out. You could have just still like come to this and capitalize on this area right here, like after it touched here and it just impulsed upwards again. You have just held your trade up to you just held your trade up to you just ride it up like till the upwards, like you're just holding your trade up to here because it was in a channel kind of way. So there's a correction here. There's a correction again here. Market keeps doing the same thing, like it moves in an impulse correction. You could have entered your trade now here. You could have just entered your trade here and could have held it up to the strong sell position right here where you saw it rejecting right here. So yeah, that was your indication for you just to go out of the market and look for a selling opportunity. Yeah, or open. You just had to wait for it to happen. So yeah, that's basically it. And like it still came back again. Like if you could have like open your trade here, you could have taken. That's why I advise people to take profit at 50 right here. 50 is supposed to be your take profit. So yeah, to avoid any accounts to get blown or being blown, just take a profit at 15. Just head out. That's all you need. Just take your profit at 50 and head out. You could have still won or like made profits with this move right here if you saw it. If you saw the indicator on the strong sell position or strong sell line, like, and you open some few trades right here or here, you're just riding it up to here, the take profit area. You could have just taken your profit and just went out of the market. That's what I did. And so the market went up to form a double top. Yes, it came up to form a double top and it started heading downwards again. We have this correction right here and another correction. The market keeps giving you opportunities to enter trades, guys. To enter trades, like it says, okay, Twana, you are late, I see. Now let me give you another opportunity to enter the trade again, to enter the market again, so you can make profit again. So it gave you here because I think there are touches. The best touch is, like, for me, it's the third touch. The third touch is the strongest touch, like 1, 2, 3. If we draw a trend line right there, connecting them, like it indicates the touches right there. And we have this one again, broke here, started heading downwards, came back to retest a little bit, and just came back down, guys. Came back down. So yeah, this strategy is actually pretty simple, guys. We just use it with your knowledge. If you have any kind of, like, any type of knowledge in your in forex or something like that, you can just use it and use this indicator to maximize your winnings, like what I'm doing right now. It's crazy. So it's crazy. Had some few losses, but yeah, it's going good so far because I just deposited 10 1,000, or like, I mean, in my currency that means 1,000 or 1K, but it's $100 actually. So, and now we are at $386. So yes, it's working. The strategies that I use are actually working. So yes, don't forget to comment and like, guys. Like the videos, guys. Like, if you enjoy watching this content, or like, yeah, if you just mess with me, just just subscribe and like the videos. I'll see you guys in the next video.